In this video, I'll show you how to make this quick and easy pouch for your earbuds or AirPods. This is a perfect gift idea or stocking stuffer because they work up so fast and are really fun to make. Also really great if you're constantly losing your earbuds like me. Let's get started. Begin with a magic ring or magic circle. Chain 4, and this counts as your first double crochet and chain 1. And then double crochet into the magic ring and chain 1. Now do this 10 more times. And by the end of the row, you'll have a total of 12 double crochets with 1 chain in between each of those double crochets. Chain 2 and double crochet into the same chain space. And this counts as your first double crochet 2 together. Chain 2, and now double crochet 2 together into the next chain space. And now repeat this, the little asterisk, repeat that all the way around. And once you finish that, you're going to slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet 2 together. Chain 2 and double crochet 2 together in the same chain space below. And this will count as your first double crochet 3 together. Now chain 3 and double crochet 3 together in every chain space all the way around. And you will end the row by slip stitching into the top of that first double crochet 3 together. When you finish the third row, it should look something like this. And for the fourth row, chain 1 and single crochet 3 into that same chain space. Single crochet into the top of that double crochet 3 together. And then just single crochet 3 again into every chain space all the way around. Do this all the way around and fasten off, and go ahead and make 2 of those. Now, when you've made both of them, place them together, wrong side facing wrong side. And we're gonna join them together like this. So just insert your hook into whatever stitch and go ahead and just slip stitch both of these granny circles together. Do this a little over halfway around. This is really like up to you, your preference. Like you can make the opening not so big or like a little bigger. So just tuck in your ends and you're done. That's it. Like, that was so easy. And here you could add like a little button so, you have a little button closure. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, go ahead and subscribe and maybe give this video a thumbs up.